Okay.
This morning, we're going to be putting in some pollen patties, and we're going to be putting in some of these homemade beetle blasters, and we'll be putting, as you can see, diatomaceous earth inside of here. We're going to be putting these in a few hives because I'm only limited so many I have, but we'll be putting pollen patties in basically all the hives. Stay tuned for that. As you can see, we're using our electric smoker. One thing I like about this is it smokes real easy. Get some more pine shavings to put in. One more handful. And we'll be good to go. I want to get that smoke intense. All right, I think we're ready. Today is not that bad of a windy day, unlike yesterday. We couldn't do anything. So we'll be back when we get to the hive. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The first hive we're doing is this hive here. It's just a single brood hive, which I'm going to be extending it to more. I know they're probably full inside there, and I want to try and prevent them from swarming. We're going to be installing in here 2 homemade beetle blasters. These were made on a 3D printer. And what we're not going to be putting oil in here because oil seems to leak out of it, and we don't want that to happen. So I'll be putting in diatomaceous earth. These are reusable because all you have to do is just, once you have enough hive beetles in there, you just shake it out and then add in more diatomaceous earth. So that'll work out great. All right, so let's put these off to the side. Let's go in, start out going into the hive. And the first thing that you see is the Ceracell top feeder. Now, I like these feeders. As you can see, they can eat from all 4 corners or in the middle. And this doesn't have too much in here, but I do have to clean this out. So I'll be taking this off temporarily so I can clean it out. So let's just go ahead and do that. We'll take it off and we'll put it off to the side. First thing we're going to do is put some smoke underneath. Let them know that we're here. There we go. Give it a second. Lift it up. See, this is one big problem. They always put a lot of burr comb underneath. And they got honey underneath there. And it's dripping out. I think because they may be out of room. I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off some of these frames. Let me get my hive tool here. And the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to remove one of these frames. And I really hate being so close to this fence, but I almost had no choice. So I got to be careful taking this out. And I can tell this frame is awfully heavy. Let's move that off to the side there. You always want to take it out very, very slowly because you don't want to roll any bees. You pick it up as straight as possible. And we're just going to take a quick look at it, and this thing is full of honey, and I can see that some of the comb is broken off. The queen should not be on here, but you always want to just take a quick peek and make sure. We're going to go ahead and we're going to set this down here just like that. Okay, that'll give us enough room to get in here. And Maria, can you bring me my my Folgers thing? Because I'm going to start scraping some of this off, getting this next frame out. Seems like it's honey bound. All right, put this down a second. Try and get them out of my way. There we go. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I don't see the queen on there. Oh, look at that brood. Okay, I don't see the queen on here, but what I need to do is I need to get something out of the hive. So what I'm gonna have to do is take out this next frame. These bees really love this honey. Let me see if I can't skirt them away from there. There we go. All right. See, I always want to run right back to the same place. Okay. I'll just put that down a second and we'll check out this frame. This frame covered with a lot of brood. Looks nice. What we're also, I'm looking for the queen. And I'm also looking for any queen cells. Okay, we're gonna put this one down here for a second. I really hate doing this, but I need to get in here and get something. Okay, whoops. That one, see, that one got crushed. Okay. All right, where's my bucket?
Right there.
There you go. I think I got everything else. Stuff that's on the side here is minimal, so Okay. Go for the next frame. Gotta try and chase them away at least a little bit so I can get the frame separated. Okay. This is a very nice frame. One that I'm actually going to take out of here and put in another hive. The only thing I want to make sure of is that the queen is not on here. Let's turn it over. Now I can't remember if I marked this queen or not. Okay, I don't see the queen on here at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake them off there. I'm gonna put this one off to the side here. Okay. And I'm actually liking this too, because this is specifically why I want these frames here, is for this purpose. Look at that brood. They've got that, she's got that brood covered these entire frames. Look at that, that looks beautiful. This one we're actually going to leave in here. Then they've got this frame here that they're being kind of spotty on. As you can see, they've drawn some of this out. They need to start drawing more out. This actually has eggs in it, if you can see right here. If you get close enough, you can see the eggs in there. Can you see them, Maria?
No.
No, because with the sun it's hard to see. Right.
Yeah, it's too bright.
But that does look beautiful there. I'm looking to see if she's on here. She's looking for places to lay. I'm surprised that they're not laying more on this frame. And I don't see her on this frame here. If anybody else sees her, you let me know. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this in for right now. Try and get them out of the way here. Okay. You know, for all concerned, the bees are being quite gentle. As you can see, we've got some brood in here and some larvae, a lot of larvae. Okay, I don't see her on this side. Let me check this side. Okay, I don't see her on this side either. Now this next frame I actually think I'm gonna like too. Let me go ahead and okay. She's laid up all in these frames here. These are the half frames for my 4-queen mating nuke. And I'm not seeing her on here either. I'm gonna double check. There's one, see that one with pollen on her legs?
Where?
Right there, she just went off to the other side.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That looks like dandelion pollen. Okay, I don't see the queen on here. I want to check these other frames though. Okay. They're doing some on here. Let me see. They've got some nectar in here. I'm looking to see if they're doing any, if she's laying any. No, this looks like all nectar on here. I don't see her on here. Let me check the other side. Same thing with the other side. It's like they're hardly drawing on here. And I don't see her on here either. Okay, now this last frame, I see they're actually doing pretty good on. Let me see what they're doing here. You move it away from the wall. Okay. Oh man, this frame is heavy. Holy shit. This thing is full of nectar. I don't see her on here. Yeah, this thing is full of nectar. You know what? I don't know how sometimes I overlook the queen on a frame, but it happens. You can go through a whole frame and not find the queen, but you know she's there. Because you can just look at the frames and see. All these guys bringing in pollen. I may not need to put in a pollen patty, but I'm going to anyway. Okay. And I don't think she's on the wall anywhere. No, I don't see her on the wall. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this back in. Oh, that's heavy. The good news is there's no
Yep.
show that
Where's it?
right there. The good news is that she's laying a lot, and I'm going to be adding another box on here soon. Let me try and get that one out of the way. There we go. I'm going to slide this over. Go ahead and slide these over. Okay, and we're gonna put this one back in. I'm taking a frame out. I know I got that one here. Since I'm taking a frame out, I need to go get a frame. Maria, inside that nuke right there.
That's sitting on the brick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open that box up. Make sure that there's not a lot of bees in there.
Yeah.
Okay, and bring me one of those frames out of there. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back in first. This one's the heaviest. Okay. Slide these back a little bit. Okay, give me that frame. There we go. That's a nice, helpful frame. We'll go ahead and put this one in here like this. Okay, now, the next thing we have to do, let's get the beetle blasters. Okay, one at a time. Where's the diatomaceous earth?
Right here. Well,
okay. Filming?
yeah.
Okay. Put this on the diatomaceous earth. Get some in there. You don't need that much. Just enough to... And then you do want to clean it off. And then clean off the top. Okay, now hopefully the way these are designed, they should go right in between the frames. So what we're going to do is we're going to smoke the bees out of the way, and we're going to put them right in between the frames. Okay. There we go. Look at how well that works. They can't get underneath it. You getting a good shot of that? Okay. Now give me your other beetle blaster. Put some in here. Clean it off. Clean off the top. Okay. And then we'll put this one right over here. We'll get them to go out of our way. You know what? Give me the smoker. Let me smoke them. Okay. fits right down in there. Look at that. And the reason I put them on the ends here is because, give me a pollen patty.
No, here. It's not good. They're sitting in the sun.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know where else to put them.
That's okay. We're going to take a pollen patty and stick it right across here. This way it doesn't interfere with any place that they need to get from. Go ahead, put them in. Rip that up a little bit. Okay. Now we need now we need this. Okay, we'll put this on just like so. We'll move the beads out of the way. There we go. Okay, and then the cover. You still got them on there.
Oh, I'm trying to, well, I'm using one hand.
Yeah, but you gotta go like that. And try not to crush any of them, which I did.
Oops.
Get that one out. There we go. Any more? No. Okay. Put the lid on, get that dirt off, and we're done. So I think I'm going to enjoy those 3D made beetle blasters. If you are interested in any of them, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you out on some of those. Like I said, you put diatomaceous earth in them, not oil, and they are reusable. No more one use, throw away. I appreciate you watching this video. Thanks. Have a good day.